I would like to show this nice new functionality in NX metrology CMM inspection programming, which is the groove path generation. Axis symmetric parts can be quite challenging with inner and outer cylindrical features and groove planes. The new functionality contains efficient inspection path generation for inner, outer cylinders and planes. In order to create the path, I create a new inspection path. The new inspection path will bring me up the inspection path suboperation. The default method is the point set, what I will change to scan arc. I will take a full circumference and I change the start tip mode to multi-tip. The multi-tip generates the inspection path section by section where the probe can achieve the highest possible scan angle with the given conditions, which means that we can, for example, reduce the safety distance, and then the transition moves get shorter and larger section of the part can be inspected. The same kind of inspection path exists for outer cylinders as well. I use the same method. I create a new inspection path suboperation, and in the inspection path, the best I can do is to select the scan arc and the multi-tip. I use the multi-tip, and again I reduce the safety distance to 2 millimeters, and in this case the inspection path is being generated and the highest possible angle is measured with the specific start tip of the probe. The inspection plane can be generated in a very similar manner. I use scan arc. Angular limit is full circumference, 2 millimeters approach and retract. I will measure it from 50 to 100% that I don't touch the tooltip with the cylinder. And this is a multi-tip outer pass. And in case I apply it, then the correct inspection pass is being generated and possible to simulate.